Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and this book called Knuffle Bunny, I'm already laughing. It's so cute. It is something that us parents, we can relate to because it's about this cute little kid that can't talk yet, and they lose their Knuffle Bunny at a laundromat, but the dad doesn't know it. And so the kid's trying to communicate, ends up throwing a tantrum, right? On the floor, crying, is babbling away. The dad has no idea what the kid is saying. So they leave the laundromat, they get back home, and the mom says, "Hey, where's Knuffle Bunny?" Right? So they go back to the laundromat. It ends up, it's a happy story. They find Knuffle Bunny, all is well in the world. But it's really funny and cute. And it's a good lesson that when kids are young, they can't express themselves. And so it's a lesson for both kids and for parents to be patient on both sides. And so that is why I really like this. The illustrations are really cool because they're black and white, but then you have the cartoons that stand out with color. So if you're looking for a new book, then I would highly recommend this one, but that is just my point of view.